Oyeku Ogbe. This Odu discusses the creation of the earth and advises against arrogance. It encourages humility and collaboration. It advises the client not to be authoritative when giving tasks, to avoid fear, and to seek suggestions from close friends for success. This ancient Odu Ifa takes us back to the very dawn of creation, revealing Orunmila's pivotal role in shaping earth and even naming it. It's a profound reminder not to let arrogance cloud our judgment. Beyond its cosmic narrative, Oyeku Ogbe teaches us a crucial lesson. Before we offer anything to the divine, we must first acknowledge the earth itself. For you, this means approaching tasks with a spirit of collaboration, not authority. Don't be afraid to voice your ideas and seek input from your trusted cycle. Your success will flourish from this shared insight. Oyeku Iwori. Life can sometimes weigh us down with debts and difficulties, but Oyeku Iwori delivers a powerful message of unwavering perseverance. If you find yourself in a financial bind, this Odu tells you not to lose heart. Through acts of sacrifice and sheer endurance, you are assured not to only repay what you owe, but to emerge even richer. This is a promise that, in the end, you will be the one enjoying the last laugh. Oyeku Odi. Oyeku Odi reminds us that the bonds of faithfulness and loyalty extend beyond life itself. Even after a partner or close associate has passed, our commitment to them remains. This Odu emphasizes the profound reward that comes from honoring their memory and meticulously caring for their belongings. For you, this is a clear call. Never forget those who have departed and offer sacrifices in their honor. Oyeku Irosun. For women navigating the complexity of marital problems, Oyeku Gosun offers a unique perspective. Don't always place blame on your husband. This Odu suggests that sometimes Ifa itself is the source of these challenges, often as a preventive measure against early death or barrenness. If Ifa has been offended, specific sacrifices are required. A goat and cowries for propitiation, especially for those who are unwell. It's a powerful message about divine intervention and atonement. Oyeku Owonrin. Oyeku Owonrin serves as a direct invitation to consult Ifa regularly. This Odu asserts that Ifa holds a treasury of answers, solving life's most intricate puzzles and offering solutions to a myriad of problems. For you, this means preparing for potentially challenging tasks ahead. Embrace the wisdom of Ifa and seek advice from experienced individuals. This is the path to maximizing your gains. Oyeku Obara. Pay close attention to your dreams. For Oyeku Obara highlights the profound significance of dreams. This Odu warns that neglecting them can invite misfortune. It also stresses the critical importance of humility and prompt apologies when necessary. For you, this is a clear directive. Make the necessary sacrifices to prevent negative dream manifestations from impacting your reality and address potential issues before they spiral out of control. Oyeku Okanran. Oyeku Okanran issues a stern warning about the destructive power of anger, especially when directed at loved ones or family members. This Odu cautions that unchecked fury can lead to permanent damage, even death. It's a divine message for you, emphasizing the urgent need for specific sacrifices: 3 cocks, a O with a handle, and 350 calories to prevent anger from causing irreparable harm. Oyeku Ogunda. Sometimes loss can be a hidden blessing. Oyeku Ogunda teaches us not to despair when a valuable item goes missing, as it might be part of a greater divine plan. Such losses can eventually avert more severe calamities like death. This Odu assures you that even if you lose something precious during a purchase, you might subsequently discover a fortune, proving that what seems like a setback can often pave the way for greater gains. Oyeku Osa. Oyeku Osa delivers a resounding declaration. Ifa's power transcends wisdom, influence, and even material wealth. If you meticulously follow Ifa's recommendations, victory is assured, for this Odu promises that celestial beings will actively fight on your behalf. For you, the message is simple yet profound. Make your sacrifices, adhere to Ifa's guidance, and you will emerge triumphant over any competitor. Oyeku Ika. Oyeku Ika serves as a powerful reminder against the danger of material possessions. It emphatically states that sacrifice holds far more efficacy than any clever scheme, charm, or display of power. When you embark on journeys, this Odu advises making sacrifices to ensure your return is blessed with good fortune. But heed this warning: never take what isn't yours, and never intentionally harm anyone, lest you risk losing your life or your honor. Oyeku Oturupon. Oyeku Oturupon reveals a profound truth: the dead are not truly gone. They remain present, capable of responding when called upon, and deserve sacrifices when requested by Ifa. This Odu underscores the authority of masquerades who embody the presence of the departed and whose pronouncements often manifest. For you, this means that if you seek to unravel your family's mysteries, appeasing your ancestors through offerings and sacrifices is the key to unlocking these long-held secrets. Oyeku Otura. Oyeku Otura is a stern admonition against disrespect, particularly towards parents, elders, and those held in high esteem within society. This Odu highlights the crucial responsibility of training children in wisdom, ensuring they don't suffer the consequences of foolish actions. For you, this is a clear call to action. Make the necessary sacrifices to resolve the issues you have brought before Ifa, ensuring harmony and respect prevail. Oyeku Irete. Oyeku Irete champions the vital principles of cooperation. This Odu asserts that a thriving society is impossible without unity between its leaders and citizens. It specifically addresses the women in your community, urging them to foster love and mutual support while actively refraining from gossip and envy. It's a blueprint for collective harmony and progress. Oyeku Ose. Oyeku Ose emphasizes the profound impact of punctuality in the workplace. This Odu warns that chronic lateness can lead to job loss or a lack of favor from superiors. For you, this means prioritizing diligence and timely arrival at work. Make sacrifices to Ifa, and this effort will contribute to your liberation from poverty, paving the way for professional success. Oyeku Ofun. Oyeku Ofun offers a comprehensive guide to living a long, prosperous, and peaceful life. This Odu teaches that enduring wealth comes from absolute honesty, never cheats. It advocates for living with ease, shunning murder and theft, and always acting in accordance with your conscience. For anyone embarking on a business trip, this Odu advises performing sacrificial duties beforehand to ensure a prosperous journey. Proceed with caution and a calm demeanor, and your wealth will truly last.